Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to remove email from Roblox account. To start this tutorial, open your game launcher over at your mobile device. And then in here, look for your Roblox player. Once you find it, tap on it. Over at Roblox, you will now need to log into your account. Now the next step is to click on the three dots on the bottom right. And then in here, click on the gear icon, which is settings. Now go ahead and tap on account info. In here, wait for account info to finish loading. In here, you will see all your details, but for now, we are going to be looking at email address. Just click on the pencil icon near email address. In here, you'll need to change your email. To do that, just input your new email account in this box over here and then click on change email. And then all you need to do is verify your new email in your inbox in that new email so that it will now be changed to that email specifically for your Roblox account. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.